this micro USB HDMI adapter. Does not work. As you see, I got the power source plugged in, the charger. Go ahead and plug in the HDMI cable. There you go. Put the HDMI cable plugged in. Phone, put that in. Alright, there you go. Got everything plugged in. There you go. Turn the phone on, see the phone's on. But still won't come on. Text message, which it should be up on TV. It's not. As you can see, it is charging, so you know that it's getting power. HDMI is plugged in. Does not work. Just so you know that it's not the HDMI cable. I'll unplug the HDMI cable from here. Plug it right back in to my cable box. Just like that. And then, voila. That does not work.